This is the Songbird, and I just wanted to say that if I've offended anyone in any form or fashion with my words, I apologize. It's not my intention. I'm for peace. Even though I've gone through some traumas, we all have in life. You know, nobody's worse than anyone else. And, you know, my judgment is just mine and mine alone. It's not a real reflection of what's in my heart towards other people. And I'm glad that everybody's doing whatever it is that they like to do. But on the most part, whether you're doing everything you like to do or not, there's always going to be ups and downs, you know. So I just wanted to apologize if I've offended anyone in some of my strong-mannered shows. Peace, love, and light.